Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Amazon. So I ordered 3 products, but seems like 2 products arrived and the other one will arrive yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered from Amazon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe if you like this type of video, unboxing and reviews. And also once in a while I'll do vlogs, and I also do haul. So yeah, if you are interested on that type of video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any videos. And also don't forget to like and hit the bell button, so you will be updated every time I uploaded a new video. And also, I have a giveaway coming up the end of this month, and I already posted it on the video. So if you're a new subscriber and you're interested to join, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and leave a comment on that video so I can include you for the giveaway. And that is for the Ipsy giveaway 2022. That was my first Ipsy giveaway for this year. Okay, let me see. So this is what the box looks like inside. Got this big old bubble wrap. I like popping the little bubble wraps because it's so satisfying. So I'm gonna open this small box first. I don't even remember what I ordered now. So let me open this. Oh, okay. So this is the first one, is the shower heads. So I decided to replace our shower heads, so I'm replacing it with this one. And I'm gonna, it says luxurious hand shower. So I'm gonna open it, and it looks like this. And I read the reviews on this before I bought it, and it's actually pretty good. So that's why I decided to buy it. It's this durable bracket. So it comes with all the pieces that you need to install. So, and also it comes with this. I want to see how long it is. This is the 79 inches flexible shower hose. It's the shower hose. And I like this one because, you know, after you take a shower, you can, you know, remove it from the hook, and then you clean the, you know, the walls on the back on the shower, you know, to clean it. So yeah. So I'm gonna have my son hook it up tonight. So this is all. Let me see if there's another more. It's just the instructions and a little more pieces to it. So I'm excited to put that. I'm excited to replace our old shower heads with that new one. Okay, and the second box, okay, so I already have an idea of what it is. This is the floating shelves that I ordered through Amazon. so we can organize my husband's stuff in the bathroom. So this is supposed to be 3 floating shelves that my son is going to install once I'm done unboxing. And if you guys are interested, I will put a link on the description below of the seller from Amazon. So it looks like there is another box inside. I'm gonna clean up a little bit here. Hopefully it's not broken or anything, so hopefully there's no pieces that's broken, so I don't have to go through the hassle of returning it to Amazon. So most of the products that I'm going to unbox most likely will be from Amazon, because I ordered a lot of products from Amazon. And also my husband ordered a lot of products, like especially like car parts for his business. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it. And I'm kind of excited so I can organize the bathroom. I can organize the stuff in the bathroom, guys. And like I said, I will put a link on the description below of how much I paid for this and also the seller. So there are 3 shelves, and it actually very nice, like very nice. It's like dark wood finish, you can see. So this is the first one. And there's a difference on the sizes. So this one is narrow. And this one is medium, as you can see. See, this one is narrow and this one is medium. So this one is a lot wider than the first one. And this third one is definitely wider than the 3. So you go first, second, and then third. I see a damage here, but that's not a big deal. I can cover that up. See, it came off. But that's not a big deal. I can cover that up with a marker. Actually, I have a marker here somewhere. I want to see if I can do that right now. Okay, so I just covered it with a marker and you can't even tell. See, I covered it with a black marker and you can never tell. Once the marker dried off, you will not gonna be able to tell. So yeah, I kind of like it. I like how it looks, and then you just put the screw here. And it comes with all the screws that you need. And I have another unboxing coming up. Hopefully I will get it tomorrow and I will show you guys what I got. That was another purchase from Amazon. And yeah, I am very happy with what I got. So thank you all so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button and hit like, leave a comment. Make sure to hit the bell button so you will be updated every time I upload a video. All right, thank you guys. Bye.